Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how we can implement a on shader material to our threejs mesh. For example, we have taken a flame geometry as a mesh where for that we have written a vertex shader and a fragment shader, and that will help you to create a interpolated colors in that mesh. Let's see, this is the code that I have written, and also see the preview of the result of this code at the end of video. For manipulating the code of shader, we need little bit knowledge of GLSL programming, so we can understand the video easily. threejs shader material take object of uniforms and the code of vertex shader and the fragment shader. Thanks for watching my video.